Hello, FreightWaves! I'm Kendall Scott, and I'm thrilled to be here to kick off the demonstration of the most collaborative TMS. I'm excited to be joined by Jeff Grahn, Vice President of Innovation, and we're here to give you a demo of Turvo. Turvo gives you true transparency to your supply chain through real-time visibility and collaboration. We can only scratch the surface today with some highlight features, but we're excited to dive in and give you a look. Take it away, Jeff.
Hi there, my name is Jeff Grahn and I'm the Vice President of Innovation here at Turvo. Today, I'm going to bring us through some of the features that we have available to our TMS customers. As you look over my shoulder, the first thing that you're going to notice is that we look different, and that's because we truly are. Within the dashboard, what you're seeing here are very easy to use and understand tiles that are providing you high-level supply chain related data about the health of your logistics supply chain. So as we look at those, they're all configured around your business rules, and we're able to then give you that visibility across plan, execute, and settle, ultimately driving into margin and then providing visibility into customer specifics. Each screen also has the ability to provide filters to further drill down your information. Now, as we do that, now we're going to drill down into some of the active information that we have with running late. These shipments are in jeopardy. Based on the business rules, they're coming out of tolerance. Now, if you look at those, a couple of them will look a little different. We'll focus on those. The two on the far left have information that's being pushed to us, and we're displaying data related on the cost structure that's available in the market provided by FreightWaves Sonar, giving us cost index relation data into Turvo. Now, as you look at that, what we also have is the fast action button, which is the blue icon with the lightning bolt. And what that's able to do is each one of these shipment icons is then able to then take different features within Turvo and apply those using the fast action button. In this case, have an offer, create a posting, create an exception, and you can see the rest of those from there. So as we move over to the left nav, and then dovetailing on the exception management that we have available, drill into the exceptions that are available in the workbench. So specific customer and user autopilot rules are able to then display the data on the left, and then by clicking on one of the shipments, give you the detail on the right of those supply chain issues that you have. Again, these exceptions are quickly and easily viewed, and then we have the data on the right, and you can see all the information pertinent so you can make a decision on what to do. And notice in this one, we're not just doing a cool API out to Google to get that map. What we're also able to do is pull in the blue dot, and that's giving you the information on where the telematics are in that truck. Also notice the fast action button in the bottom right hand corner. We can also take action from here as we need to. So everybody's got offers and shipments and orders, but we take it one step further. If you look, we also have inventory. We're able to then take the data from your WMS and pull that live into Turvo. No more swivel seating. So in here, I'm going to drill down into our bolts, show us the inventory levels that are coming again from the WMS, see what's available, what's committed, and then ultimately what's coming inbound as well. But we take it another step further. Look at the orders. So as we click into that, we're now also to see what's depleting or adding to our inventory in a specific location. As we click on this individual order, we're able to see the bulk of that order information. Now, those orders are then consolidated to shipments. We actually see the shipment related data and including that blue dot and where that truck is again, and then giving us that continuum of orders into shipments, ultimately coming from where that inventory was. Again, something that really isn't being done in the supply chain today. Another thing that makes us unique in the supply chain is our ability to then manage into ocean shipments. So as we look at those, we've got the ability to pull in global information coming onto import containers coming to the US, and then provide that information to the user on where that container is at sea. Taking it one step further, and it's ultimately bringing us the data from the port operator. So not only are we getting the transit from that steamship line, but once it gets into this case, let's say the Port of Oakland, when it's clearing customs, when it's being discharged, and then ultimately taking that data all the way to when the last free day is, the per diem, and so forth. Let's talk about search. Everybody can search by a trailer number or a reference number, but we bring everything that you've seen so far within the search engine and be able to then search for those pieces of information. So if we look at our customer name and maybe we're looking at Amazon and some bolts, all we have to do is type that in. It's going to then give you a contextual lookup and then give you all those pieces of information listed from shipment, order, down into inventory, but then gives you the ability to travel right to that shipment live. Notice the screen behind didn't change. Now, when we look at that, this is a complete Shipment as it looks in Turvo. I'm going to walk you through some of the cool things that we have here. Now, going to messages, we're always collaborating. So we want you to collaborate within the four walls of your building, but then also your origin location, your destination location, your customer, your carrier, and ultimately the driver. Able to message those users all within one system, contextually bringing you that data within Turvo. Now, what about a digital document hub? That's contained within Turvo. I can render documents, I can drag and drop, and then we can ingest data containing documents all within, have those displayed all within the Documents tab. We can also choose which ones get shared to the carrier and ultimately our customer. Now, one thing we also have that makes us very unique is sharing. Sharing is another thing that's innovative within the Turvo platform. And what we're able to do then is push out a link based on time or geography when a specific milestone happens, and then push that out to the user, ultimately giving that person an ETA where the truck is, and then other pertinent information that they're going to need to know, truly saving time in the supply chain. Now let's take a look at Integration Hub within Turvo. What you're going to see is that within our Integration Hub, what we allow our customers to do is to be able to grow and scale their business by leveraging the technology enabling partners of Turvo. So even though your business may look a specific way today, in the future could change, allowing you to require a change to some of your partners or addition. So what we've done is we partnered with some of the best of breed technology enabling partners in the transportation industry and be able to provide them the access and the pre-built integrations from Turvo to their systems. So simply by putting in their credentials, it allows you quickly and easily to enable those features within Turvo. Thank you very much for your time today, and I hope you enjoyed your highlight demonstration of Turvo. We'd love to engage further with you and give you a custom demo of your supply chain.